This here is a perfect example of Arizona weather.
Oh, what are they doing over here?
Wow.
They're having like a little car thing or something?
Look at that, y'all. Then the sun is right back out and everybody right back at it. What is going on with this weather? Whoa, now focus, focus, focus. There we go. I don't know what's going on out here.
Got a Riddler 17 to 1776 cubic centimeter engine.
Sounds like a contest.
And chassis. I think this thing. Sean, congratulations. Love that's in their windshield.
Hot Hauler coming up next. Jim Malone from Farmington, New Mexico. 40 Ford pickup. 364 stroker under that hood. Wild West established 1981 street rods. Steely's red tuck and roll. Wild West paint. We love it. 40 Ford pickup.
Coolest 50s. Terry Canifax in Scottsdale, Arizona. It's a 1956 Olds convertible. One of only 8,500 made. Look at this. It's a cream beauty. Engine 324 Oldsmobile V8 Fiesta flipper wheels. Black and white interior picked by our own DJ Axel. Congratulations, Terry.
Coming up next, McGuire's Magnificent Masterpiece, presented by, you guessed it, McGuire's. Yeah, no kid. Come on down. 37 Ford. That would be a Cabriolet. Mike Griffith from Florida. 3-inch chop, LT4 4L60 trans, Downs chassis, Boyd wheels, PPG classic red paint. McGuire's Magnificent Masterpiece.
The mighty Mustang.
Oh, hey now.
Listen to the lope of this cam. I love it. Kenny Keith out of Paradise Valley, a 65 Ford Mustang. 572 cubic inch blown Ford. 2-speed power slide, 9-inch Ford rear end. Unibody American racing wheels. Look at that. That's America right there. It's got the parachute in the back so you know it's fast. And the wing windows. Look at that injection system sticking out of the hood. Congratulations, Kenny Keith.
McGuire's Magnificent Masterpiece coming up next. Tony Bruce from Apache Junction in this 1968 C10 pickup. I call this lipstick red. LS1 under the hood, painted in smooth chassis, factory lines on the body, built specialty wheels, tan leather interior, and they're calling it hot rod red. I love the little red line tires.
The Chevy Muscle Pick, presented by Bowler Transmissions. So you know this thing's got to have 3 pedals. Colton Verselli and a Tempe in the 1970 Chevelle. It's got the rally stripes, it's got the cowl induction hood, it's got a shaved body, just like Jeff. I did a column, QA1 coilovers, Dakota digital gauges, and a 420 cubic inch LS7. GFG custom one-off wheels and a custom interior. Picked by our very own Jess. Congratulations, Colton.
Tri-5 Chevy pick coming up next. This is a 56 Chevy Bel Air Judo hardtop owned by Alan Dunn, Mesa, Arizona, with an LS3 495 ponies and a 6-speed Tremec Trans. LS3, man. American Racing Torque Thrust. My favorite mags. Tri-5 Chevy pick.
You had me at American Racing. Love the 56.
Look at this CUDA.
Mopar Muscle Pick. Lane Rivers out of Found Hills AZ71 CUDA. And you had me at Shaker Hood. Look at it sticking through the hood. I love the Shaker. It's a 340 engine. It was painted in 2002. The rest of the car is unrestored. He's got the rallies, the black buckets, and the paint, curious yellow. Congratulations, Lane Rivers. Thank you.
Coming up next, the Restored Award, Jim Levante from Tempe, Arizona, in a highly customized 1970 Dodge Charger Impala Dash, owned for 5 years, 383 under that hood. Double Beach Drive, we hear you, partner. White paint, candy shop, Magnaflow exhaust, sounds great. Restored Award.
And looks great. The Mighty Muscle Award presented by It's Bill and Joy Woodward out of Aztec, New Mexico in the 65 Impala Bubble Top. Wait, what you call me? The second of 2 cars. The first car was totaled. Cousin Eddie, Axel's cousin Eddie loves this car. It's got a 496 cubic inch V8, a Roadster shop chassis, 18 to 20 inch wheels, and Viper PPG red paint. Congratulations, Bill and Joy Woodward.
Coming up next, G-Body pick, Mike Morris from Gilbert, Arizona, 1987 Buick, 3.8, 200R trans, stock chassis, stock body and exhaust. It's all stock. Black paint. Mike Morris, G-Body pick.
Those things are deceptively fast. Gotta love them. Modern Muscle Award, Harry Belling in the 96 Ford Mustang Cobra. It's one of 2,000 made that year. Perry, exactly. 4.6 liter 4-valve. That would be the dual overhead cam. What color is that paint? It is gorgeous. The Mystic paint. Look at it change colors in the sunlight, in the rain. Harry Bellings, congratulations.
Hottest hot rod, come on down. Mike Cummins from Phoenix, 32 Ford Roadster pickup, man. I see that Hemi, looks like injection on there, 446 cubic inches on her built. I love it, I respect that. Black suede, got some Tommy the Great striping, my favorite. Aircraft interior, hottest hot rod.
That's super cool. Carbureted, I love it. Love the wheels. Larry Lindsay, All-American truck pick. It's a 1955 International R110. Found in Mary, Arizona with a tree growing out of it. It looks fantastic. LT1, 350 cubic inch twin turbo under that hood. Home built, MagnaFlow 3-inch exhaust and American racing wheels. Congratulations, Larry.
Sports car corral pick, Frank Lacey from Gold Canyon, Arizona. So back in 1985, when we went to high school, we took our gals to the prom. I took a 66 GTO. My best friend at the time took his dad's Pantera, looked just like that, to the prom. 74 Pantera, 351 Cleveland. They're insanely fast, 5-speed trans. Frank Lacey, sports car corral pick. Really
what else do you have to look forward to in life if you're taking a Pantera to prom?
That's right.
There's only, wow, congratulations. Bitchin' Buick. Gary Palucci out of Prescott Valley, AZ. It's a 1948 Buick Super convertible.
Badass.
Isn't it beautiful? I love it. Nova front clip, leaf spring rear, LT engine is 6 liters, 4L80. Look at him, he's hanging his arm out the window. He's already got the look down. Cadillac wheels and a slightly modified chassis, picked by Jess. Congratulations, Gary.
F-body pick coming up next, Jim McDonald from Scottsdale, Arizona, 1969 Pontiac Firebird. This would be with a flat hood, either a 326 or, 350. Second owner, 37,000 miles, all stock PMD, which stands for Pontiac Motor Division.
I was just
You're looking around,
that noise over there.
F-body pick.
Traditional home built heaven presented by Speedway Motors. Dan Gredner at a New River AZ. It's just fun. It's a 29 Patient. I love the Mexican blanket interiors. He's owned it 6 years. He bought the body from a friend's estate. 283 V8. It's a Model A stock body. Exhaust got headers, Steelies. I love the blankets. Thanks for bringing it in, Dan. Congratulations.
Ladies and gentlemen, be prepared for the thing.
Love the thing.
Cool Convert. Kerry Snyder from Scottsdale, Arizona, 1973 VW. He's a second owner. He's owned it for 4 years, 28,000 original miles. He's got an 1835 CC. I don't think that's original. But lots more pep there. Cool
Doors come off, the top comes down, the windshield folds down. Open air at its finest. Good Guys feature pick. Les Height out of Rio Verde AZ. It's a 1940 Ford Deluxe. He's owned this vehicle since 1965. It's a daily driver in college. That's incredible. Parked it in 87, second restoration 2017. The interior's a white tuck and roll, Dakota Digital, and a ZZ350. Congratulations, Les.
Way Cool Wagon coming up next. Chuck Williams from Phoenix, Arizona, 56 Chevy Nomad. Found here in a horse trailer room. Wow, LS6 under the hood, C4 Corvette, chassis, all stock body, and custom exhaust. 2015 Camaro wheels, black switch lake, silver.
Love that. Two Stones pick presented by Affordable Street Rods, John Bergen out of Nebraska. The 32.5 window coupe. I dig this car. It's a Ford with a Chevrolet small block, 350 cubic inch V8 chassis is 32, body is 32. He's got some custom headers on there and Kelsey 15 inch and the black tuck and roll interior. Congratulations, Don Bergen.
By the way, we didn't acknowledge our trophy gals from Cooper Tires. Big shout out to
Thanks,
Cooper
Trophy
Tire
gals.
gals. Chevy truck pick coming up next. Brooks Hastings from Tucson, Arizona, 67 C10 short bed, and that would be a big back window back there. Yep, 6.0 under that hood. Detroit steel, stock bucket interior, stock color, built by Patriot Auto Works. Chevy truck pick.
Sky High 4x4 pick. Is this a Willys or a Willis? It's
Willis.
a Willie. Each one said 1950. He's had it for 12 years. Small block 350 engine with a turbo 400 transmission, 4x4 with a 12-inch lift. This is super cool. Warriors wheels, 35-inch tires, two-tone gray interior. It's selected by our very own Spider. Congratulations, Christy Mabbitt, the Sky High 4x4 pick.
Slam pick, John Roberts from Desert Hill, Arizona, 30 Model A. It's got a 383 in it, air ride and a hot rod. Okay. Shot body, custom wheels, custom interior, custom paint. He's owned it for 5 years. Slam pick.
That thing's cool. Speaking of cool, we got the Way Cool Award. Miguel Gutierrez in El Paso, Texas came all the way in town from El Paso. It's a 55 International Street Toys Hot Rod. It's got a small block 350, looks like those Strombergs on there, but he didn't write a lot down. It's got the big wheels, he's got the side pipe exhaust sitting up there. Gotta love this thing. Miguel, congratulations.
Those are 97 Strombergs. All-American Chevy pick, Derek Hopkins from Peoria, Arizona, 1970 Chevy Nova. 350, small block under the hood, right tech chassis, Flowmaster exhaust, American Racing mags, black leather interior, and that red paint. All-American Chevy pick.
Wild card, just because it's neat, goes to Jeff Cymbalowski out of Cave Creek, AZ, to 63 Ford F100. He's owned it for 3 years. It's got disc brakes all the way around, autometer gauges, and just for grins, he's got some laughing gas. That's right, 125 shot of nitrous. Just a push of a button. It's a 306 cubic inch blueprint racing engine in US mags. Congratulations, Jeff.
Wonderful Woody coming up next. Mark Pruitt from Gold Canyon, Arizona, 1950 Ford. Beautiful Woody. What? He's owned since 1952? No, that's impossible. 331 under the hood, factory chassis, and body Flowmaster exhaust. Wheelsmith did the wheels. Tan leather interior, Daytona Sunset Orange, they call that paint. Wonderful Woody.
Ford in a Ford. He drove this in high school. He's owned this 23 years, and look, he's got his passengers wearing their big hats, living the dream. Dale Schiffler out of Chandler, AZ, the 1954 Ford F100. It's got a Ford 400 modified with the C6 transmission, TCI chassis, stock F100 body, and smoothie wheels. Love this thing. Picked by Spider. Congratulations, Dale Schiffler.
Coming up next, best bitchin', as Harry Davies would say. Ron Howe from Chandler, Arizona, 1971 VW Squareback. This is a father and son build. It's got 230 32 cc with a Tremec 5-speed. American Racing straight axle, 12 spokes up front, 5 spokes in the rear. Best bitchin'.
Too cool. Speaking of cool convertible, Wayne and Nancy Hill.
What do you got now?
Arizona 1934 Chevy convertible. Only found 2 in the U.S. to buy. He found this one in Michigan. It's got a 350 Ram jet engine, Budnick wheels, brown leather interior, and a Speedway exhaust. 2-tone PPG creamsicle. If there's one thing I love, Harry, it's a creamsicle. Congratulations, Wayne and Nancy.
Best LS Classic presented by LeCar Steering Wheels. Mickey Vowell from Mesa, Arizona, 1969 Chevy Suburban. CPP brakes, Kindig door handles, LS3 under the hood with a T56. American Racing, custom leather interior, vintage flats, did the paint. Porter belts, 1969 Suburban, all stock body. Best LS Classic. Lime green.
I'm in a video in.
Coming up next, Cuda.
1972 Plymouth Cuda All-American Mopar pick, driven by Troy Dunn. He's owned it 12 years and still building it. Bought it in Maui, had it shipped over, 440 cubic inch engine. And it's a lime green, sublime green is my guess. Troy Dunn, All-American Mopar, congratulations.
All-American Sunday Award coming up next. Sherwin Seiden from Mandela Heights, Minnesota. 2012 Camaro / Trans Am, 6.2 liter under the hood. Lowered on spring chassis, custom body kit, Borla exhaust, gray leather interior, and that orange paint.
Ford truck pick presented by LMC Truck, Roy Tuttle out of Gilbert, AZ. It's a 1934 Ford. 4 doors made 2, stretched 18 inches, TCI frame, 4-wheel disc brakes, rack and pinion, Ford 9-inch, 327 AC vintage air, and a 700 R4. Congratulations, Ron. Hey now.
All-American Sunday Award.
They have about
Julie Hancock from Scottsdale, 58 Chevy Corvette, one of 5 special Corvettes made. Man, that's a beautiful car. LS3 under the hood, slightly customized Corvette. PPG, seafoam green, tan leather interior, all stock body. All-American Sunday Award.
Another All-American Sunday Award goes to Don Williams in his 1944, 16,000 miles on it. Complete custom. This is now a crew cab. LS2, billet steel drive, Art Morrison chassis. And again, the 4-door, everything is shaved off of it. I'm not going to go there again. Detroit steel 20-inch wheels, 4 Camaro bucket seats. It is beautiful. Butternut yellow. Love this thing. Again, built to drive it with 16,000 miles on it.
Square body truck pick coming up next, presented by Scott's Hot Rods and Customs. Roger Wilson from Cave Creek. 77 C10 pickup was in CK Mag October 21. It's Alaska truck 5.3 Peterbilt. Magnaflow exhaust, US Mags, Scott's Hot Rods.
Now he's just
Nice.
showing off. Well, I would too. The solo pick goes to Victor Badino. 66 Galaxy 4. You know where he's from? Surprise! It's made 1 year only. He's the second owner of this vehicle. It's got a 390 cubic inch. Look at you driving that thing up there on his lap. That's living the dream right there. It's bagged, stock body, wheels are Supremes, and custom vintage interior. Teal green, look at him drop. Looks like discs all the way around. Congratulations, Victor, the solo pick.
Best car in white whites coming up next. Janine Bedoino from Surprise, Arizona. 1955 Ford T-Bird. Original survivor. Got the 292 Y-Block V8 under the hood. Stock chassis, original convertible. Stock wheels, Thunderbird blue paint. Best white whites.
JDM Import Madness. Doesn't get much crazier. Randy Stewart, Adam Mesa AZ. It's a 1987 Suzuki Samurai, 66,000 original miles, 1.3 liter 4-cylinder engine, and he's got the ultra rare dealer hardtop option. You couldn't get that from the factory. Give it up, Randy Swart in the Samurai.
All-American Ford pick, Joe Foster from Mesa, Arizona. 2008 Mustang GT. It's got the 4.6 automatic car. Chassis all stock, body stock. Billet wheels, black leather with red accent interior, silver gray paint. All-American Ford pick.
Next generation participant goes to 25-year-old Joe Martinez, packing 454 cubic inches. This Chevrolet under that cowl induction hood. 1976 Chevy square body. It's a C10 pick 'em up. He's got the dog there. Got the dog in the passenger seat. 454 US Mags, custom interior, and Viper red paint. Congratulations, Joe.
The next generation continues, presented by Goolsby Customs. Nate Lawler from Surprise, Arizona. 1969 Chevrolet C10, 90 C150 100 built seat, bench seats built, stock 350, $700 trans, 69 C10 pickup body, American Racing wheels, and that Tangelo Pearl paint. Next generation.
Long distance award goes to Bob Pott out of Chesterland, Ohio, driving his 1966 Ford Falcon Ranch Arrow. Drove 2,221 miles just to get here. Carroll Shelby added packs and supercharger tow vehicles for the GT40 back in the day. This is 289 horsepower and it's supercharged. Congratulations, Bob. Keep on driving that thing.
they gotta be close.
Classic Chevy pick, Larry Weigel from Queen Creek, Arizona. He's a regular with Good Guys events. 57 Chevy, Bel Air, two-door hardtop, fuel injection, blue, white interior. He participates in all the rod runs. You see him going down the road 80 miles an hour all day long. Misty blue paint, classic Chevy pick. We got a special FITech award.
Yes,
right here.
ladies and gentlemen, I want to introduce Crystal from FITech Fuel Injection. Crystal, go on out front. So they were doing a drawing all weekend long at their booth. Check this out. John and Jaslyn Cockrell won a FITech Master Kit, fully loaded fuel injection system. So John and Jaslyn, can you please come up to accept your prize?
Come on down.
Now check this out. Jaslyn is 13 years old. Check this out. This kit is going on her 1966 Impala.
Yeah.
Give her a big round of applause. Huh? Is that something cool or what? She's building it with her dad. That's her dad with her right now, John. So once again, a big round of applause for John and Jaslyn Cockrell, and a big thank you to Phytech Fuel Injection, our sponsor of the event, title sponsor, and we really greatly appreciate all of your support. All right, so DJ, what's up next? Where you at?
Right behind you. We're getting a lucky ticket coming up, right?
We are. So first we're going to start that truck up, and we're going to have Sadie Vale drive it in front of the stage. Now Sadie has been the caretaker of this truck from our Lone Star event, Spring Lone Star last week here to Scottsdale. I would say about 1,700 miles she drove that truck. That's right, folks. It's not trailers, it's driven. It's driven to rock, it's driven to roll. She's driving it from here, Scottsdale, Arizona, to Pleasanton, California. Next week, we're going to have a chance to win it there, too, as well. Now, DJ, let's take it over.
Forgot her name. Jenny. Jenny. It's a 1986 Chevy C10 pickup, ladies and gentlemen, built by Goolsby. This is a big back window, short bed, LMC trucks, Brockmeyer design, got an LT1 engine, pace performance, 4L60 transmission, vintage air, low car, Bear, TCI. I mean, it's got all the goodies. Dakota Digital, Built Specialties, Griot's Garage. Jenny, built by Goolsby.
All right, so as much as I hate rules, DJ, there are a few rules. Is that right?
Yes, there is.
The first rule is you
Gotta
have to
be here.
present. You must be here to get a chance to win. The second one is what, DJ?
Gotta be here.
You got to have a car on grounds.
That's right.
That's right. Got to have a car on grounds. Got to be here. And we're going to do one last call for any Sunday
Last call.
lucky tickets. If nobody's running up here, we're going to have Stephanie right here. She's a bodybuilder part-time. She's going to lift this over her head. She's going to shake it around. She's going to make sure that we don't pick the first one, the last one, the second one, the third one. We're going to get someone from the crowd. We do need an assistant.
The little girl with the pink hat down there. One of those little gals.
They just came through the award ceremony with Dad, I think. But they're shy. Well, one's shy and one isn't. Okay, so we're looking for a name, if we can get a name.
Kinley.
All right, we're gonna help
good
Kinley out. She's gonna reach in. She's gonna move her hand around. She's gonna pull out a Sunday lucky ticket. And then our good luck charm, Jeff Disted here, is going to read the finalists, and we're going to see if, in fact, they are present. And
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Kinley.
Kinley! She deserves a big tip if she draws your name, I'll tell you that.
Right.
Much. I'm not talking 20 bucks.
Oh, exactly.
I'm not talking 50 bucks. I'm talking C-note, baby.
Really?
Yeah, why
You.
not? If I got my name drawn by her, I'd pop one out right now and say, here you go, kid.
That's the way you roll. You're a high roller,
High
Harry.
roller,
That's why-
baby.
that's why I
High
like you,
roller,
Kinley.
baby.
Thank you so much, Kinsley. You're the best.
All right, so let's give it a shot. Hand it over to Jeff. Let's see if
Thank you,
we
7-8.
have...
Am I reading the number or the name?
Oh, you're going to read the number first.
The number first. The number is 95.
Low
I have
number,
95.
pre-registered.
H. Schroeder, Howard Schroeder. Come on down.
Howard Schroeder,
Number
are
95.
you here?
That doesn't look like, is that
You
Howard?
do not look
Come on.
like Howard. Well, where's Howard? He's got to be present.
He's passed out under the
We
car.
need Howard. We need Howard.
Does he have 2 minutes? Does he have a minute? Does he have 30 seconds?
No, he's going to have about 30 seconds, and then
30
we're going to go
seconds.
on to the next one.
All
So,
right.
Howard.
He's on the clock.
She's on the clock. Well, he's got to be
Howard's a-
present, and he's not present.
I agree.
So I think, you know,
Kinsley, pick away.
pick another one.
Sorry, Howard.
Sorry, Howard. You got to be present, brother. You
It's
got
part
to
of
be
the
here.
rules. You got to be present to
Yeah,
win.
you know, that means like right here, not
Exactly.
over there.
Not over there. Not past that in your trailer.
That's right. Here we
Here's
go.
another ticket. This is
Here's
the big
number
winner.
2.
Big winner reading the number for 617. 617, Al Quisinti. Oh, I heard a...
Al, here
come
comes
on
Al.
down.
All right, Al.
See some ID.
What are you driving, Al? 62 Thunderbird. Give it up for Al, who's going to be our finalist. Ladies and gentlemen,
Let's see some
also
ID.
remember you can go online for a chance to win Jenny. All you got to do is visit our website, go online, you can enter as a member. We also do a member poll, and of course we do a finalist from each event.
Is that good?
If you have a car here registered on grounds. So DJ Axel, where'd you go? Oh, DJ, we're coming back here in November. DJ forgot to write them down, but it's the weekend before Thanksgiving every year, November, right?
After SEMA, before Thanksgiving.
That's right, after SEMA, before Thanksgiving. That's easy to remember. We're going to be right back here, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for your support. Be safe. Drive safe. Stay out of the rain. That was crazy. We love you all. We'll see you in a few months.
Good guys.